Straumann SIRIOS portfolio. ClearCorrect Revision workflow. There are multiple ways to access the revision workflow. In the workspace, all cases are sorted by date. Click on the three dots menu on the desired exported ClearCorrect aligner case. Then select Revise. You can also double-click on the tile to revise your case. The workflow is also accessible from the case management screen. Use the filters to sort the cases and view only the exported ones. You can also filter by treatment plan and select ClearCorrect here. On the desired case, click the three dots menu and select Revise. When selecting Revise, we are moving into the treatment plan screen. The patient information is already filled out. Provide detailed instructions, including revision goals, overcorrection preferences, and so on. Once ready, click Next and start scanning. Click on the Scan button on the handpiece to start the scanner. Always acquire at least 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva on each scan. Use the Mode button on the handpiece to move to the next screen. Scan the opposing arch. Bite acquisition. Scan 3 to 4 teeth on both sides with 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva. Once the software has enough data, the scanner will stop. Start the handpiece again to scan the second bite key. Click Review to process your scan, and move to the Review screen. In the Review screen, make sure your scans don't have any voids and have 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva. Select Next to move to the Export screen. In the Export screen, select your clinic and hit Send. To access ClearCorrect Doctor Portal, click the case in the outbox, followed by clicking on the Web View option. Fill your case prescription on ClearCorrect Doctor Portal to submit the case for production.